Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get arrows on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of the tutorials, we would like to get arrows. So let's just get into a board as an example. Let's just hover this learn option instead of play and let's go to analysis. Here, of course, let's just start playing some moves as an example. And as you can see, if I want to play a move, I'll have to hold the piece by the left click and put it wherever I want. Or I can just click on the piece and click on whenever I want to take it. So of course, it should be legal to do that. But if you want to draw the arrows, you will have, instead of clicking on left click, you will have to hold the right click and take it to wherever you want to draw the arrow. If you want to delete the arrow, just draw the same arrow again and it will be deleted. And of course, if you have a lot of arrows and you want to delete all of them, simply you can go and click one left click on any place of the board and all the arrows will be deleted. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and goodbye.